Welcome back to the next appraisal tool modules. In this module, we will be discussing question number 23. Are the implications for practice logical based on the reported results? Authors will typically provide this type of information in the discussion section of an article. Research is conducted to create new knowledge and to fill in the gaps of what is unknown. Once the results of the study have been explained, appraisal question 21, and the findings compared to the other studies, appraisal question number 22, then we would expect for the author to give us some indication of how they interpret these findings to be relevant. The implications should describe how this new knowledge might be used and what it means for current practice. The intent of this appraisal question is for you to determine if you feel the implications are logical and realistic based on what the author has reported in their results. There are times that authors make giant leaps from a finding to what that might mean for practice, while others may be overly hesitant to make a connection, possibly because of potential weaknesses in the study. Take some time and consider how you feel about any discussion the author offers for the implications of the study's results. Here is an example from a published article. In this example, the authors are reporting the relationship found between non-married patients feeling hopeless with their existing network of social support and how this finding relates to the stress buffering hypothesis. They claim this discovered relationship highlights the need to assess marital partner status among those with heart disease. Obviously, having read the entire article, we would have a greater appreciation of how the authors conducted the study and the overall results. Yet, even in this brief snippet, we can draw conclusions on whether this seems logical and relevant. Again, continued practice and careful reading through the entire article helps us appraise how the implications might align with practice. In forming your appraisal response, decide if you feel the authors provided logical and realistic implications for their results. If the author leaves you questioning how this is relevant or questioning if this would even work, then reflect that in your appraisal response. The expectation is for the author to clearly state how this new knowledge might have implications for practice. Congratulations, you have successfully completed this module. You may return to the main menu or continue to other appraisal modules in the next EBP course.